Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your OnlyFans account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your OnlyFans account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in onlyfans.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be redirected to this page, which is the OnlyFans sign in page or the sign up page. Now, to log into your OnlyFans account from over here, enter your email address over here, and after that, enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your OnlyFans account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you want to log into your OnlyFans account with your Twitter, Google, or your Windows Hello login, simply click on these links like this, and you can see when you clicked on Windows Hello login, the login username changed, or the login format changed to username from email, as well as this is for Twitter and this is for Gmail. If you log into Twitter and Gmail from these tabs, you'll be logged into your OnlyFans account with your Gmail or Twitter, whichever you have logged into. Or if you want to create an account on OnlyFans, simply click on sign up for OnlyFans, and you'll be taken to a procedure where you can create an account on OnlyFans. And there, guys, this is how you log into your OnlyFans account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.